With minimalism proving to be more than just a trend, the number of tools endorsing the lifestyle like sling bags regularly increases. These compact packs are the proud members of this minimalist club. They provide you with plenty of storage for your essentials without looking or feeling bulky on your body. Everyone from students to hikers and travelers is now switching to these neat bags, and we can see why. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 sling bags on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Kavu Original Rope Sling Bag. The Kavu Rope Sling Bag is a recognizable pack. The ropes are from old climbing lines, a part of the origin story of the company. One of the most popular sling bags for women because of the space and amount of colorways and styles, it has some unique and useful design features. That doesn't make it everyone's cup of tea though. It feels like quality canvas and it holds up well because of those materials. The experience is similar to a smaller messenger bag and works well on a bike too. It's spacious enough to fit all sorts of essentials for a day hike but does particularly well in urban settings. While most seem to appreciate the unique design, it's worth reading up on it to make sure. It's the perfect sling bag to carry in tight spaces thanks to its compact designed organization, 2 main compartments, 2 smaller zipper pockets. Number 2. Waterfly Sling Bag. The Waterfly Sling Bag is a product that represents a lot of what this type of crossbody pack can do. With lighter loads, we forgot we had it on. And with 4 zippered pockets including some smart inner features, this bag makes a good candidate for the organization-savvy individual. This is, in fact, a good sling bag for women. 18 liters of capacity makes it a reasonable day pack for a hike or roaming the urban jungle. But it seems more like only 15 liters for some reason. The main compartment can comfortably fit your iPad, a couple of notebooks, and a few more essentials, while the smaller compartments can store your more compact items like a power bank, granola bar, etc. There is a mesh pocket on the side of the pack for carrying a water bottle and a novel, zippered umbrella holster on the bottom. Number 3. Red Rock Outdoor Sling Pack. Is there a sling bag with more room than the one designed by Red Rock Outdoor Gear? Most likely not. This giant is built precisely for outdoor adventurers who need a reliable bag that can fit all of their gear. It comes in 10 camouflage-like prints that make you look like a military associate who was sent for a year-long overseas mission. The 600 denier polyester fabric is definitely the reason why you can store your camping, hiking, and hunting kits without worrying about tearing the pack apart. Both lefties and righties will get good use out of it as a result of the reversible shoulder strap integrated into the sling bag. Adjust it the way that feels comfortable on your body and you are ready to set out for a weekend adventure. Maille webbing helps to customize the sling bag when out and about. The hidden back pocket has a snap closure for easy access. Number 4. Osprey Daylight Shoulder Sling. This smaller sized, Osprey Daylight Sling Bag is a minimalist option that has its strengths in comfort and an active day. The tablet sleeve isn't going to fit an iPad Pro or even a newer Air model. But it worked well with a Kobo e-reader. There's space for this plus a 34 ounces water bottle and a compact windbreaker. Don't expect much else. Where the Daylight excels, it does it almost better than others: comfort. Because it has a low profile and tightening straps that make the sling hug your body, it's great for biking, running, and scrambling around a canyon. Built from tough nylon and neo-spacer mesh material, it is claimed to resist both drizzles and abrasions. Roomy and well-organized main compartment so it stays clutter-free. Densely padded and anatomically designed shoulder pad for ultimate comfort. There's another small mesh pocket at the strap for a quick snatch to a small item. Number 5. Peak Design Everyday Sling. Peak Design Everyday Sling Bag is the ultimate no-frills type of accessory that is pricey yet definitely worth the investment. Featuring an urban design that has a multitude of concealed features, it is designed to accommodate your hefty camera gear with no issues. Whether you are an amateur photographer or a professional documentarian, you are likely to enjoy having a pack that can store every piece of your equipment. The waterproof 500 denier Codra shell has a high-density DWR coating and is equipped with strong exterior zippers for that desired level of durability. The mixed cotton twill on the inside makes it a protective pack that is able to take full responsibility for your electronic valuables. With the 2 flex fold internal dividers, lightning strap adjusters, and airplane-friendly dimensions, you can't go wrong with it. The external utility straps come in handy for carrying a tripod, umbrella, or other items with similar dimensions. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.